so much to learn about. It'll make you want to shout, Blippi!
Hey, it's me, Blippi. And today we're at Dig This in Las Vegas, Nevada. Whoa! Haha! And today, you and I are gonna learn about the word crush. Do you know the word crush? Yeah, it means to destroy, pulverize, and just smash things. Come on, let's go. Wait a second. Do you see what I see? Yeah, eggs. Whoa, 3 eggs. 1, 2, 3. I love eggs. But today I'm not gonna eat this egg. Today I'm going to crush this egg. Ready? Okay, let's find some more things to crush. Woo! Hey, look! Whoa! Look at what it is! It's a soda can! I think we should crush this, but be sure to never try this at home. And the only reason why I'm gonna do it is because I have shoes on. All right, here we go! Whoa! Look at it! It's so small! Woohoo! Yeah! I love crushing things! That was awesome! Oh, hey, perfect! Look at what it is! This is a watermelon. And it looks like it's ready to be crushed. Oh! Are you ready? Oh! Whoa! Yeah! That's awesome! Yeah! Look! The watermelon is crushed! Alright, let's see what else we can find and crush! Whoa! Wait a second. No way! There's a car right there! Let's crush the car! Alright. Whoa, 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 whoa! Before I crush the car, I need to wear my safety gear. Alright. Whoa! I have a bright yellow safety vest. Perfect. Alright. And then I got my hard hat and safety glasses. Alright. Wait a second. This needs to be perfect. Okay, here we go. Oh! Alright. Let's give it a whirl. Whoa! Whoa! I'm trying to crush it, but it's not really working. Let's try the door. Oh, interesting. I'm not getting very far. All right, one last one. All right, anywho, I have an idea. We need a bigger tool for this job. But before that, let's write crush on it. Perfect. All right, we have some spray paint. We have red, green, blue, pink, and black. So first, let's take some white paint. All right, pour some in right there. And let's give it a nice white base coat. All right. Yeah! Woohoo! Yeah, there we go. Perfect. A little bit more white right there. All right. our colorful spray paint. And let's paint the word crush on it. All right, let's start with the color green. Perfect. All right, what other colors do we have? Let's do red. Yeah! C-R. Now let's do black. Oh, yeah! Just 2 more letters. C-R-U. Let's use the color pink now. All right, last letter. C-R-U-S. The color blue for the letter H. I wrote the word crush on it. All right. C-R-U-S-H. Woo-hoo-hoo! Now we're ready to crush this. So let's get a big machine for this. Ha-ha! And the perfect machine is a toy excavator. Whoa! What better machine to destroy and crush this car than an excavator? But wait a second, this toy can't do it. That's why I have a real excavator! All right, let's crush this car. Okay, first things first, let's keep this toy excavator right back there. Let's put on our headset. All right. Perfect. All right, and now let's put on our hard hat. Okay, so let's take our safety belt. Yeah, just like the seat belt in your car. Now that we're all strapped in, we're ready to crush. Now, let's crush it some more! Yeah!
I'm an excavator. Excavator. Hey, dirt, see you later. I'm an excavator. I've got a great big arm and a great big boom. If I start digging now, I'll be done real soon. I'm a dirt separator. I'm an excavator. I've got a big old bucket and I scoop all the time, digging holes in the ground, wonder what I'll find. I'm an earth investigator. I'm an excavator. Oh, can't you see that I don't have feet?
No feet? How do you get around?
I roll on tracks to get to where I need to be. I'm an excavator. Excavator. Hey, dirt, see you later. I'm an excavator.
Hey, it's time to act like an excavator. I'll teach you. All you gotta do is bring up your arm, like it's the arm and the boom in the bucket, and start to scoop. That's fun!
I've got a place where workers sit, it's called a cab, where they control the bucket to scoop and grab. I'm a hole regulator. I'm an excavator. Oh, can't you see that I work all day?
Do you ever sleep?
No time for sleep, no time for play. I'm an excavator. Excavator. Hey, dirt, see you later. I'm an excavator. Excavator. Excavator.
Whoa! That was so crazy crushing that car! Let's go check it out. Come on. Whoa! Look the letters. C-R-U-S-H. Crush! Whoa, look at it. It's so crushed. Whoa, here's the steering wheel. Whoa, and the seats and the windshield. Wow, that was crazy. Well, thank you so much for learning about the word crush with me. And hey, special thanks to Dig This in Las Vegas, Nevada. Well, see you later, kids. Bye-bye.